Good morning, dear students. Let us begin our mathematics class. We are learning speed, distance, and time. Today, we are going to start exercise 13.2, question number 1. How long will Sonu take to run a 300-meter race if his speed is 20 km per hour? Let us see the solution. Sonu runs a distance of 300 meter. Sonu's speed is 20 km per hour. So you can see here the difference. Here distance is in meter and speed is in kilometer. So we have to convert this kilometer into meter. Speed is equal to 20 km per hour. We are converting this kilometer into meter. We know 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 20 kilometer is equal to 20 into 1000. 1 hour is equal to 3600 second. So 20 into 1000 meter divided by 3600 second gives us 50 by 9 meter per second. I'll show you the calculation. This is 20 into 1000. This is 20 kilometer into 1000 meter. We are converting kilometer into meter divided by 3600 seconds. We'll cancel 1 0, 1 0, another 0, another 0, 2 18s are 2 5s are, then 2 9s are 2 10s are. Now we cannot cancel, so 10 into 5 by 9, that is equal to 50 by 9 meter per second. So it is 20 kilometer per hour is converted into meter per second, and that is equal to 50 by 9 meter per second. Now we know speed is equal to distance upon time. This is the basic formula we know, and from this basic formula we can find out time. Time equals to distance upon speed. We have to find out the time. So distance is 300 meter. Speed we have calculated 50 meter per second. So 300 meter divided by 50 meter by 9 second. When this is calculated, 300 meter into 9 second, 9 second goes up, divided by 50 meter, meter gets cancelled, 0 0 gets cancelled, 5 6 are 30, 6 9s are 54 seconds. So Sonu takes 54 seconds to complete the run of 300 meter race. I'll show you the calculation of this time. This is time is equal to distance upon speed. So distance is 300 meter. Speed we just calculated 50 by 9 meter per second. Got it? So this becomes 300 meter divided by this 50 meter remains as it is, and this 9 second goes on the top. So meter gets cancelled, 0 0 gets cancelled, 5 6 are 30, 6 into 9, that is equal to 54, and what is left in the unit? Second. So 54 seconds. Now come to question number 2. How far will an aeroplane fly in 8 hours 30 minutes at a speed of 650 km per hour? So again you can see here in question minutes given and hours given and only hours. So we'll convert this minutes into hour. Solution. Time taken 8 hours 30 minutes. Now this 30 minutes is converted into hours. So 8 plus 30 divided by 60. Why 30 divided by 60? Because 30 minutes is being converted into hours. So 0 0 gets cancelled. 3 2s are 6. So 8 plus 1 by 2. So 2 8s are 16 plus 1 17 by 2 hours. Speed is given 650 km per hour. And we know the formula, speed is equal to distance upon time. We can find out distance by taking this time to the other side. So distance equals to speed into time. I'll show you the conversion of this 8 hours 30 minutes into hours. So this is like this. See, 30 minutes, we have to convert this into hours. We know that 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. 1 minute equals to 1 by 60 hour. So whenever we are converting minute into hour, what we have to do? We have to divide the given minute by 60. So 30 minutes equals to 1 by 60 into 30, or straight away we can write 30 by 60. 0 0 gets cancelled. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So this is 1 by 2. Now this 8 hours is written like this. 8, that becomes 8 whole. 1 by 2. So 2 8s are 16 plus 1 17 by 2. This is hours. Now, distance is equal to speed into time. Speed is 650 km per hour and time we calculated 17 by 2 hour. So, after calculation what happens? 325. This 2 cancel 650. 325 into 17. R get cancelled. So, what is left? Only kilometer as unit is left. And 325 when multiplied by 17 comes to 5525 kilometer. So, aeroplane goes a distance of 5525 kilometer. I'll show you the calculation. 650 into 17 by 2. Cancel. 3, 2, 5. When multiplied, we get 5525 kilometer. Now see how units are cancelled. 650, what was the unit? That is the speed. So this is kilometer per hour. And this 17 by 2 is hour. That is time. So R get cancelled and what is left is kilometer. Now come to next. Question number 3. Find the distance covered when speed is equal to 940 km per hour and time 2 hours 30 minutes. Again, we have to convert this minutes into hour. Let us see the solution. Time is equal to 2 hours 30 minutes. So, we are converting this 30 minutes into hours by dividing with 60. So, that comes to 5 by 2 hours. I will show you how. 2 whole, it remains as it is, and then 30 by 60. 1 by 2. So 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5 by 2 hours. We know the formula, speed is equal to distance upon time, and distance is calculated as speed into time. So we'll multiply speed 940 km per hour into time 5 by 2 hour, and we get 470 km into 5, and that is equal to 2350 km. I'll show you the calculation. This is 940 km per hour into 5 by 2 hour. See this, R get cancelled. 2 4s are 8, 7s are 14, 0. So when you multiply, 5 zeros are 0, 5 7s are 35, 5 4s are 20 plus 3, 23 And what unit is left? Kilometer. So kilometer, 2350 kilometer. Rest you can calculate. Be careful when you have to convert the units. Come to question number 5. How long will it take to drive a distance of 320 km at a speed of 80 km per hour? See what we have to find out. How long? How long means what we have to find is time. Let us see the solution. Distance 320 km, speed 80 km per hour, and we know the formula, speed is equal to distance upon time, and we have to find out the time. So time equals to distance upon speed. So what is distance? 320 km and speed 80 km per hour. That is 320 km into hour divided by 80 km. So kilometer get cancelled. 800 get cancelled. 8 4s are 32. So 4 hours. I'll show you the calculation. See here. 320 km by 80 km per hour. This is the speed. So what happens? 320 km by 80 km as it is. And this hour goes on top. Kilometer get cancelled. 0 get cancelled. 8 1s are 8. 8 4s are 32. So what is left? 4, and your unit hour is left. So this is what we found is time. It took 4 hours to complete that distance. This is all about question number 1, 2, 3 and 5. Thank you children. Have a great day.